Hey guys, thank you so much for joining this little tutorial. So one thing feature that we just launched on the VV is tipping a creator. So Favani is one of our community contributors. To get this badge, you just have to DM us and join our Discord and also talk through your pitch ideas. So Favani wanted to do a what is crypto airdrop, and this is an educational piece. Thank you so much. Um, all contributor pieces have to be approved for publishing. All writers need to have other writers look over their work. So, it's just one thing that we do to help quality ensure the Violet verse. So I'm really excited because we are launching our tip the creator feature. So if you really like what she said, you can tip her 50 and you have VV tokens. I'm going to send her 50 VV tokens. You have to be logged into your account to do this. And I'm excited because this is one thing that I think Web 2 really fell short on is rewarding and kind of um, showing the writer that you care about whatever piece of content that they published online. And through VV, the tipping the creator is another way that our contributors can be rewarded and also get paid, continue to get paid for their work. So tip the creator feature is live. As you can see, I am doing the transaction. There's two different security measures here. You have to approve the transaction and then reapprove the transaction. So making sure that it's actually you. And yeah, so we're confirming the transaction now. And I'm really excited about this new feature. I'm looking forward to hearing you guys' thoughts on tipping the creator. And if you're a contributor, I'm looking forward to people in the verse pretty much tipping you in VV tokens. We're going to be coming out more about the value of VV and creating a liquidity pool as we gear up to be custodied on the Blockto wallet, which is the official or most popular wallet on Flow blockchain. So as you can see, Vivani now has 50 VV tokens. So yeah, that is amazing. This is the pair, me, and this is not coming from VV. This is actually coming from Violet Summer. Do you like this? Are you excited about this new feature? You can go back, close this, and then, like I said, this is my profile. So yeah, what do you guys think about this new feature? Let us know. Feel free to send 1 to 2 VV tokens to your besties. And yeah, thanks for joining.